Namaskar. Once again, I am Kavita Krishnani. Good morning to all. Now start with prayer. Join your hand, close your eyes. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hands slowly, slowly, fast. Turn your eyes. Now relax. Now children, today I want to talk about one story. Story name of The Fox and the Crow. Story name of The Fox and the Crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. वहाँ कौन था? Crow था. He has pieces of meat. Crow को क्या मिला? Pieces of meat. मतलब मांस का टुकड़ा मिला. A hungry fox came there. वहाँ पे जहाँ क्रो था वहाँ पे कौन पहुँच गया? Hungry fox came there. वहाँ पे एक fox पहुँच गया, मतलब लोमड़ी. क्या बोलते हैं fox को हिंदी में? लोमड़ी पहुँच गई. His mouth watered when he saw the piece of meat. लोमड़ी के मुंह में क्या आ गया? पानी आ गया. क्यों आ गया? Because उसने क्रो के मुंह में क्या देखा था? क्रो के मुंह में उसने piece of meat, मांस का टुकड़ा देखा था लोमड़ी ने. तो उसके मुंह में क्या आ गया? पानी आ गया वो देख के. He thought of a plan to get it. लोमड़ी ने एक प्लान सोचा कि मैं अब क्या करूं, मुझे ये पीस चाहिए और उसको बहुत भूख भी लगी थी. तो उसने जो कौवे के मुंह में पीस देखा वो उसको चाहिए था. तो उसने एक सुझाव सोचा. He praised the voice of crow. उसने कौवे की आवाज की क्या की? उसने प्रशंसा की. लोमड़ी ने क्या किया? कौवे के आवाज की प्रशंसा की, मतलब वॉइस ऑफ क्रो. प्रेज द वॉइस ऑफ क्रो. कौवे की आवाज की प्रशंसा की. द फॉक्स सेड हिम टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग. द फॉक्स सेड हिम टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग. फॉक्स ने बोला कौवे को, आप एक सॉन्ग गाओगे? लोमड़ी ने क्या बोला कौवे को? पहले उसने कौवे की आवाज की प्रशंसा की. कौवा क्या हो गया? बहुत खुश हो गया. उसने लोमड़ी ने उसकी तारीफ की तो कौवा खुश हो गया. Then the fox said him to sing a song. क्या आप मेरे लिए सॉन्ग गाओगे? When the crow opened his mouth. जैसे ही कौवे ने गाना गाया तो कौवे का मुंह खुल गया. And the piece of meat fell down. जैसे कौवे ने सॉन्ग गाया तो उसका मुंह खुलने से मीट का टुकड़ा क्या हो गया? नीचे गिर गया. मीट फेल डाउन. मीट का टुकड़ा नीचे गिर गया. द फॉक्स एट इट. फॉक्स ने क्या किया? खा लिया. उसको भूख लगी थी ना, तो लोमड़ी ने क्या किया? खा गया. एंड वेंट अवे. वो खा के वहां से चला गया. मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी बी. Now, moral of the story, beware of flattery. हमें चालाकी से children, today I have to teach new activity. You want to do with me? Yes, we needed A4 size paper and then small paper, one black color and some glue. Now let's start. We have to fold outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, you want to do with me, children? Very good. Strip is ready. Then third, fourth, fold left side, then fold left side, then again right side, again left side and right side. Okay. Here, open. Now मैं इसमें क्या बांधूंगी? Thread and then knot. And then slowly open. Now to make again knot. We have to now we have to fold like this. This is hand. Now children, I have small circle. We have to make face. 2 eyes, 1 nose, then mouth. I have to stick some glue. Well, dolly is ready. Now children, yesterday what did in classwork? हमने क्लास वर्क में क्या किया था? Activities of fruits. Draw easy fruit. Okay, then which fruit is this? Strawberry. I am a strawberry, red and sweet. I am a strawberry, red and sweet. See all my seed and my cap so neat. See all my seed and my cap so neat. When I grow ripe and ready to eat, puff of my cap a tasty treat. Okay, children. Then next, which fruit is this? Grapes. Which fruit is this? Grapes. I am a bunch of grapes. I am purple and small. I come in green as well as I make wine for adult to taste. Now, which fruit is this? Watermelon. I am a watermelon. I am a round. I have many seeds. I am juicy and sweet. I am a watermelon. I am a round. I have many seeds. I am juicy and sweet. Cherry. Orange. I am an orange. Of course, I am color orange. I am a juicy and pulpy. I am either sour and sweet. Today I want to teach how to draw banana. First and foremost, sleeping line and two small standing line. How to draw easy banana? I am a banana. I am a yellow. I am a soft. I am a sweet and delicious. The color of banana, yellow. I am a banana. I am a yellow. I am a soft. I am a sweet and delicious. You like to eat banana? I have to draw apple. I am an apple. I am a red. I am a sweet, yummy and crunchy. Eat me so you can be healthy. Now, apple color is red. I am an apple. I am red. I am sweet, yummy and crunchy. Eat me so you can be healthy. Apple color is red. And what is the color of leaf? Green color. Which color? I have to draw pineapple. This is a shape of oval. to make small line. Now children, now tell me which fruit is this? This is a pineapple. Now I have to make what is the color of pineapple? Brown color. From outside brown and inside color of yellow. Now children, this is, which fruit is this? Yes, very good, mango. What is the color of mango? Green, yellow, okay. I have to fill color in yellow. आप मेरे साथ कर रहे हो? Yes, very good. You have to draw yourself and then color it. Page number 5018 worksheet. Now you have to write CW and mention date. What are we doing today? Today are doing see the picture and match its letter. Today's class work is see the picture and match its letter. Okay children, now tell me which fruit is this? This is an apple. Apple. Which fruit is this? Apple. What is the first letter of apple? A for apple. A for apple. Where is A? Where is letter of A? Yes, here. Then apple match with letter A. A for apple. A for apple. Then next watermelon. Watermelon. Which is the first letter of watermelon? W. W for watermelon. Where is letter of W? Here. Then match with letter of W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Then next pineapple. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. It is the first letter of pineapple. P. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. Then next pear. Which fruit is this? Pear. Which is the first letter of pear? P. P. P for pear. P for pear. P for pear. mango. M for mango. M for mango. Then next banana, which is the first letter of banana. B for banana. B for banana. B for banana. B for banana. Once again. A for apple. W for watermelon. P for pineapple. P for pear. G for grapes. M for mango. And then last B for banana. Okay. Now today's classwork date, page number 58 in worksheet. See the picture and match to its beginning letter. Apple. A for apple. A for apple. Then next watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Then next pineapple. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. Orange. O for orange. O for orange. O for orange. Pear. P for pear. P for pear. P for pear. Then next grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. Then next mango. M for mango. M for mango. Then next coconut. C for coconut. C for coconut. C for coconut. And then last banana. B for banana. B for banana. Today's classwork is done. And then homework, page number 5959. First you have to write HW and then mention date. Match the fruits to their beginning letter. Apple. A for apple. A for apple. Then next pineapple. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. Then next orange. O for orange. O for orange. Then mango. M for mango. M for mango. Then next coconut. C for coconut. C for coconut. Watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Pear. P for pear. P for pear. Papaya. P for papaya. P for papaya. Then next grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. Then next banana. B for banana. B for banana. Okay children, homework is done. Stay healthy, stay home and wash your hands. Bye bye children.